Mama, I always petted him. I always. He was my favorite cat. He never made me sad. He always was beside me.
I know. Don't cry.
Sorry, Mama.
Mama, you don't need to say sorry. It's not your fault.
Dapat I hold both of them, not just Yari. I could have just hold also Biscuit. He could have not died if I didn't do that.
Mama, it's not your fault, okay? It's just happened for a reason, okay? Oh, don't cry na, don't cry. Don't cry. Biscuit don't want to see you like that, Stop na.
Can we just go to the tata? Can we just go to tata?
No, you will cry again when you see Biscuit in. Ate, calm down. Water ka muna, ate. Calm down.
Tata, you're also going to be okay.
Yeah.
Just scared. I'm just scared, Mama. I'm just scared.
It's okay.
I'm just scared.
It's okay, anak. It's okay.
I'm just scared, Mama.
It's okay, anak. It's okay, anak. It's okay.
Sorry.
Ate, calm down. Si ate.
What happened? You explain it again.
No, it's just going to remind me again and again and again.
No, come on. Let me
He
see.
goes to the street and then car goes there. It's my fault.
It's not your fault, anak. It's not your fault. Don't blame yourself.
So the car is too fast?
Yeah.
It didn't brake?
Yeah.
Oh no.
It's the car's fault.
Yeah.
So it's my fault. I should just hold.
No, if you maybe you
Ikaw, Drew, gusto mo ba ikaw sa akin? O paano si mama ang tatay? Ate?
Sino ba yun?
Isa yung mga anak niya.
Ito, isa.
Asa yung iba?
Ito yung dalawa.
Ano sila? Ay, babay na sila sa mama nila.
Somebody that I just can't. Guys, you tell it na it was a dark green that it's a little bit big and then it was black and then it just go forward for Biscuit and now we don't have any.
Ang cute nito, Ano tiger?
Let's go, say bye-bye na to Biscuit. Sama niyo sila. And the last...
They fall.
Yeah.